Hey guys, so what do you want to have for breakfast?
Can we have Maggi? Yay! Maggi!
It will take me 2 minutes to make Maggi and then I can get my work done.
Sure, I can do it. Have you ever seen what's in a packet of Maggi? इसमें तो बहुत ज़्यादा कैलोरीज हैं. One packet of Maggi has 310 calories. The amount of fat is 13 grams, most of which is saturated fat. And this is not good for the heart. There is so much of cholesterol in it. People are having heart attacks at such an early age. And you want to eat something with so much cholesterol in it? See the amount of carbohydrates. Everything is junk. The only thing this does is actually make you fat and prone for all kinds of diseases. I'm even surprised you guys want to eat this.
Is he okay?
And all this is actually printed on the packet here. Did you guys even read this? Okay, I'll be right there. I have to go see a patient. I'll be right back.
Finally, he left. Now can we have Maggi?
Yes.
Oh yeah, Maggie's the best. Maggi is the best.
Hey.
Oh no, he's back. These carrots are really good.
Nice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will start eating your vegetables just like these people have. If you have any questions or comments, post it below in the comment section. Take care, stay safe. I will talk to you soon.